Using an eyebrow pencil to solve the thinning of the eyebrow is only a temporary solution. To get a permanent solution is the smart FUE eyebrow transplant. Today at Glomac, we just completed the smart eyebrow transplant. The nape of the neck. We have just completed the smart eyebrow transplant. We choose this area. The reason is this hair here, it is finer and resemble the same as the eyebrow texture and caliber. We can see in the smart FUE technique, the extraction site already started to close. We can see there's a bit of swelling, but there's no bleeding, there's no any dislodgement. All the graft is intact according to the angle, direction and the density. And from today onwards, his problem is settled. This hair will grow and will be a permanent solution for him. This is on the left side of the eyebrow. This is on the right side of the eyebrow. Now when it grows, it will look symmetrical.
Okay, the reason why I chose Glomac for my eyebrow transplant is because I want a permanent solution for my thinning eyebrow, which always makes me look tired and not fresh looking. So I trust the clinic here and decided to come here.